Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Bazin Dahya with student card number 2024292874. Today I will be presenting our site inventory and analysis focusing especially on the core ecological system at Taman Rekreasi Sungai Pinji, Ipoh, Perak. To begin, let's take a look at Board 1, which provide the essential spatial and vegetative context. The key plant and location plan show the site regional position and its immediate residential surroundings near the central lake and river system. The main plan illustrates our detailed vegetation inventory. We have identified the existing tree, shrubs and ground cover, including species like the drain tree and Buddha's lamb black. These plants are the most critical living elements on the site. They are the producer that fuel the entire ecosystem. Now, let's move to Board 2 to understand how these plants interact with the environment through the ecosystem and food chain. Okay, now let's move to Board 2 to understand how these plants interact with the environment through the ecosystem and food chain. This cross-section illustrates the complete ecosystem of our site. It is a living, breathing machine defined by its biotic life and supporting abiotic components like the sunlight and the soil layers. Now, the most vital process is the food chain, the engine of the ecosystem. Energy enters the system through the producers via photosynthesis, but here's a crucial fact. Only about 10% of the energy is actually transferred to the next level. This dramatic energy loss detects the scarcity of life further up the chain. Notice the complex food web shown by the intricate arrows. This complexity is critical. The case study show the smooth-coated otter acts as a keystone species in this aquatic environment. Its predatory behavior keeps the fish population balanced, which prevents smaller species from over-consuming aquatic plants and collapsing the base of the food web. But we must protect it. This otter vulnerable on the IUCN Red List due to habitat loss. For our tertiary consumers and secondary consumers, they rely on this stability. Overall, the ecosystem service provided by this site, like clean water and air, are estimated globally to be worth trillions of dollars annually. This site's health directly impacts human well-being. And finally, the cycle completes with the decomposers in the soil. A single teaspoon of healthy soil contains more microorganisms than there are people on Earth. These decomposers ensure that nutrients are fully recycled back to the producers. So, in short, this board provides the mandate. Our design must prioritize the health of this energy cycle and the integrity of this fragile food web to ensure the long-term sustainability of Taman Rekreasi Sungai Pinji. That's all from me. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.